Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy Zeni in Dragon Soul. First, always activate any Zeni boosts you possess. These can increase your earnings by 50%. A powerful method is to gather all 7 Dragon Balls and wish for wealth, which instantly grants you 300,000 Zeni. For an even greater payout, activate a Zeni boost before making your wish. This strategic combination can net you an impressive 450,000 Zeni from a single wish, significantly boosting your funds quickly. Next, focus on efficient quest grinding. The key is to select quests where the non-player characters are located very close to the quest giver, allowing for rapid completion and immediate reacceptance. Prioritize quests that require you to defeat 6 or fewer non-player characters, as these are much faster to clear. Many of these optimal quests typically reward around 2,400 Zeni each time, making them highly repeatable for consistent income. Let's look at some specific quests known for their Zeni efficiency. The Playground Terror quest is excellent, providing 2,400 Zeni for defeating just 5 General Cybermen. Another great option is Knowledge is Power, which awards 2,350 Zeni after you defeat 5 prototype marks. Finally, the Stop and Failure quest is also highly recommended, giving you 2,400 Zeni for taking down 6 Grand Patrol imposters. These quests are quick and offer solid Zeni. To further maximize your Zeni, always complete your daily quests, as they provide a reliable source of income. For those looking to optimize their farming, using an auto-clicker can automate repetitive quest completions, allowing you to earn Zeni even when you are away. For the absolute highest Zeni gains, try to stack a Shenron's Treasure Boost, which offers a 200% Zeni increase with a standard 50% Zeni boost. This combination can lead to exponential Zeni accumulation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.